Our technical solutions team is extensively trained across several product categories ranging from controls, drives, PLCs, automation, all the way to IIoT appliances. This allows this team to put together a solution catered specifically to our customers' needs.
I'm Mark Bray with MAB Technologies. We are a NENA-based concern whose focus is primarily production machine control systems. Our core business that we started in was the engineered systems area of controls, specifically control systems for production machinery. So Standard Electric has been a partner to MAB Technologies from day one, and they continue to provide overwhelming support for the products that we seek through them, and more than just standard distribution and list and a discount kind of relationship. They have people in place to help work with our engineers on the specifics of applications, on the details of things when we're in the field working on customer challenges, and that's an important piece to the overall solution that is a control system for us.
Not only do we work closely with the technical solutions team to help solve our problems in these unique applications, but we also get a lot of enclosures through them where Standard's able to provide their expertise and help us find the best solution for the application.
Working with the Standard Electric technical team has been a great partnership for MAB Technologies. They're very quick on responses and getting back to us, and you can always count on them and rely on them, and they're always just a phone call away.
At Standard Electric, we care about your success. That's why we put you in touch, either directly or remotely, with one of our factory-trained engineers of our technical solutions team to help you select the right product, to develop your application, train your people, and commission. We want you to be successful.